Hello passionate gardener, welcome back again. So today I'm going to share you some tips about growing few vegetables. One is Loki, which is bottle gourd, and another is like the bitter gourd. You can see. So they are growing well in the greenhouse. There are a lot more plants I have here: chili, Malabar spinach, and pepper, and more. So this is my bottle ground or Loki plant. You can see there are two big Lokis already. So I'm growing in UK and growing inside greenhouse. In the outside greenhouse also I have plants. Like if you see outside, there's another plant and there is a Loki down there as well. So you can grow both inside and outside, and both I'm growing in a pot. You can see those are growing inside a pot. They are not that big, like probably around 15 liter pot, and they're growing well. So growing tip is very simple. You plant during the summer and put some fertilizer, like organic fertilizer. I'm using chicken manure, or you can use banana peels as well for other nutritions. All are organic fertilizer, and they're growing very healthy. You can see the big Lokis are here. One this and this is a bigger one. So the both are ready now. I'm going to harvest today. So, and the plants are very healthy at this moment, and I'm expecting few more might come during this year, but I'm going to harvest this too because there's only one stem, big stem, and I'm growing this Loki here. And in the bitter ground as well, like if you see a lot of fruits already, and there are big ones as well. So there are few ready to do harvest. They are also in pot. They are around 10 liter pot. You can see even that might be around 9 liter pot, smaller and big one. Both plants are healthy and they are growing very nice. I have give some support so that they can roam around these plants, and there you can see there are a lot of female flowers. So all I'm going to have more coming sooner than later. So, and they're like lot already ready to harvest as well. So with this, like, and that growing tips also very simple. Water them regularly, put inside the greenhouse, and outside also fine, but outside growing rate would be a bit less, as I shown you in the outside. If you put in the greenhouse and the temperature is close to 15 to 20, like you can see it's now around 20 degrees Celsius at this moment, and keep this temperature, water them regularly, and during the summer you will be able to harvest your fruits and or vegetables. So you can see that all my plants are thriving, my chilies, and I have shared more videos on how to grow chili and what are the organic fertilizer you can use for your to grow chili and get lot of chilies. Like you can see I have a lot of chilies already in the plant, for all the plants having chilies. So and this is my Malabar spinach also thriving. So hope you like this video, and this will give some idea to you like how you can grow fruit and vegetables inside greenhouse as well as outside. And as I mentioned, I'm growing in UK and they are growing rapidly here. So hope that helpful. Until the next video, I would like to say bye bye. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye passionate gardener.